Friends, Happy New Year to all of you. Thanks for being a part of this small yet sweet journey. We hope you guys will stay with us till we grow. Some interesting secret facts about women which turns them horny when men suck their things. Must watch this video till the end, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting facts about women. Even with so many loves, the heart crave for that one love, which is unachievable. Why does that unrequited love dominate all loves? A man has such a trick, if he plays that trick, a woman can't be away from him for even 2 minutes, and that is to express his feelings from time to time. A woman misses a man very much who makes her addicted to his attention and then takes distance. All the claims and explanations made in love are temporary, thinking about which a person makes the rest of his life hell. The man who takes care of the woman takes care of her psychological, emotional and physical needs. Then the woman looks like fresh flowers every day. Otherwise a block of ice that melts in moments with a few warm glances. Don't keep your relationships tied to you by keeping them forcefully, because your love makes them suffocate. Leave them free to breathe in the atmosphere of their choice. Being tied to ourselves does not make anyone ours, because often our love becomes a source of suffocation for others. If you want to set fire to a certain part of a woman, show her your 3 things. Your beautiful body, your love and feeling, your loving heart. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.